welcome to my channel. This is CeeCeeG. I know you see what I got on my face, but my husband is sick, and so I'm trying to take care of him, but at the same time, you know, we in here, my mom and I are masking up because I've had COVID twice, and I be daggone. I'm not trying to get that. But I did test him. He's negative. But, you know, there's other things going on around here. So use precaution. If your family members are sick, do them a favor and not be around them. Separate yourself. Isolate yourself. And let your family just take care of you. So I'm going to show you. I'm going to make an onion tea now. I just gave him some chicken soup that my mom made because my mom canned soup and things. And I just added some noodles to it to give it a little, you know, something to fill them up. So I'm going to show you. It's a very simple recipe, and you can do it at home. It's on those old school recipes like your grandma and your great-great-grandmother would make to get rid of colds and anything, any congestion, mucus, and sickness. Okay, so in order to make this very simple recipe, you're going to need an onion first, a pot. I have filtered water. This isn't the Dollar Tree water it used to be, but we filter our water, so I keep the jugs, and that's it. Never ever drink straight tap water. It's disgusting. All right, and then the last thing I have here is some honey, because I'm going to use honey to sweeten it a little bit. And you know, honey has healing properties, so that's a good thing to have. So always, you know, if you ever get sick, make sure you contact your doctor, specialist, whatever. I'm not a doctor. You know, there's a disclaimer right now. So use your judgment and use your wisdom. But if you got family that got old remedies, you might have to take them up on one of those. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start cutting this onion and cutting it down. And then I'm going to put it in this pot. And then I'm going to add the water to it and go from there. So if you got some mucus in your chest, you need to get out. You know, during this time of the year, it sucks. You know, I don't never look for around this time of the year because you know what time it is and you know the agendas out here. So I don't need I say more. So use wisdom during this time of the year. Trying to get that's good enough. So you just want to get your onion and chop it all up real good. Just do the best you can. You just want to boil the onion. And if you're a person like me that has visual challenges, watch your fingers while you're cutting and do your best that you can. I'm not going to chop them down any smaller than this. Just, it's good to cut it because the juices, you know, when you're cutting, all those juices in the onion starts to come out. Okay. So I have that half in there. I tell you one thing, these yellow onions is about the business because it be burning my eyeballs. And even though, like, I'm not sick, I'm going to take me a hit of this. And some fermented garlic and honey. Because Big CeeCee is not playing no games. Okay, so I got it all cut up. Doesn't take long to do. So you can see everything's cut up. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this water, and it's full to the top, so it's a little heavy. Wait a minute. You want to pour it in. You can fill it up to about halfway or maybe 3/4 of the way, depending on how much you need. Okay. Okay, so I have the onions in here with the water. And so I'm going to let them boil till they're soft. And then I'll turn them off, drain them, and then I'm going to put some of this in a mug with honey. Okay, so now it's going on a good boil. As you can see, all the steam coming out of there. So I'm going to let this boil for a little bit longer and then I'll drain it. Okay, so now the onions and the water are done. And I'm going to strain it. I have this big strainer in a bowl. And then I'm going to pour it into the bowl. And I'm not going to throw these onions away because I can put this in the chicken soup for later on and that'll help too. And just want to shake it off there. So you can, this really oniony. But this is good because it'll get rid of that, all that mucus and break all that stuff up in his chest. So this is what it's looking like. It's kind of cloudy because it is onion in there. And so next thing is I will get a cup or ladle and just dip some out. Okay, so now I have a cup, a mug, and I'm going to put it in here. This stuff is strong. The big CeeCee is going to take a hit too. And I'm going to tell him to drink it all. Let's see, one more. And one more. Okay. Now, let me go. Okay, so now I have the honey. And I'm just going to give him enough so that he can get it down. I think that's it. Stir it up real good. And chug-a-lug, baby. Chug-a-lug. Nobody got time to be sick. No. Okay, now I have completed the tea here. And I have an additional thing. Some fermented garlic and honey in this jar. I'm just going to take a teaspoon of this because if anything trying to manifest, I'm going to hit it right there. I'm not playing. So I'm going to take off my mask. I don't take it all the way off. I let it dangle because I'm going like this, you know, back and forth in the room. And wash your hands real good. Spray, use Lysol, microban, wipe down everything. Alright, so let me taste it. You know, sometimes you gotta take stuff even if you don't want it. I'm not like really that interested in drinking onion juice or onion tea, but I'm gonna taste it. I mean, it's not hard. It's not that bad. If you put the honey in it, it make it a little bit better to get down. But if you like onions, it shouldn't be a problem. I think I could do this again. All right. So I got like a little bit, like half left in there. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm taking this. This is what you got to do. And I think my mother crushed hers in here, and that's good because it releases all that juice from the garlic into the honey, and the honey and the garlic ferment together. So I'm going to take me a teaspoon of that. Lord, it's hard to open. I don't think I can open it. Okay, y'all. I had to get some reinforcements to open this jar. So this is what it's looking like in there. See that? So I'm gonna take me. I gotta be careful because I'm gonna blood in this. This should be enough. God help me. You see that, y'all? See that? I'm sorry. Not good. I don't know, man. It tastes really. What? I don't like it though.
It should be okay. Honey don't go bad.
But just make sure you take precaution during this time of year. Take care of yourselves. Drink plenty of water. Consult your doctor or health professional and go from there. So if you like this video, you know what to do. Give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to turn on your post notifications. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.